Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can download Zoom on HUAWEI AppGallery. To start, you will need to, launch the AppGallery itself, then at the search bar input the Zoom query, then hit the search button. Then once the Zoom app is found, here it is, Zoom on platform, even though it shows that the application itself is not in the AppGallery, but rather the AppGallery provides us with the third-party sources to download this app from, but that's completely fine. Just tap at the install button, then continue, and within a few seconds, or maybe not a few seconds, since it is a pretty heavyweight app, within a couple of dozens of seconds, the app will be downloaded and installed, so let's wait. So as you can see, the Zoom app was downloaded and installed successfully. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.